Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be unboxing a fidget spinner. So let's get started into this video. To the shower. So it's green. Okay, I see. And we're gonna be unboxing another one right now. Let me just get it. It's taking so long. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right here. Another one. Okay, this one. And this one. So yeah, we're gonna be getting into the video. See which one is better. So yeah. Stop. Set. So I don't know if you guys can see, but right here. Oh my goodness. So bright. Okay, there you go. Spin it. Spin it. Stopped right now. So it's at 47 seconds. Horrible. Right. And then start. I'll show you. So this one's 47 seconds. 47. Ready? Oh, I messed up there. I hit the thing. You read it? Okay, so this one is 1 minute. Like, hold on. No. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Man, I'm kidding. It's just 1 minute. 1 minute. What time is it? I only took 1 minute. 1 minute. So, this one wins. This one lose. Which one do you guys like better? Alright. Giveaway, man. Giveaway. It's a giveaway, too. Hell yeah. Oh god. I'm gonna be getting the rainbow one. Around on the muff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you want this. So yeah, peace out.